Namaskar. Today we will learn about Chakkars. Chakkar, a spin, a fairy, is an essential movement in Kathak. It is a speciality of Kathak. We will learn about the technique of taking Chakkars or spin in today's class. To perform a spin, it is very important to maintain the central axis of our body. Now, what is central axis? Central axis is an imaginary line that helps us to keep our spine erect. During making our moves, this line goes straight throughout your backbone, starting from the toes up to the head. This central axis helps us to understand what our skeleton supports. We should never go against what our skeleton supports, or else we may end up in an injury. Now, how to understand the central axis of your own body? Keep your heels joined together, but toes should be apart like a V shape. Imagine a point between your heels. An imaginary line goes straight throughout your spinal cord, passing behind your neck, then head up to the top of your head. We should always maintain the central axis while taking the spin. Just like a spinning top, our body should not tilt left or right from this central axis. If you have any query or doubt in this section, please leave a comment in the comment box below, and also share this video amongst your group as knowledge increases by sharing. Now, let's learn the technique of taking chakkars or spin. First, turn your left leg in this position. Then, open your hands using the vyapti. Now, if you don't know that what is vyapti, please do check my video about those to create a clear concept. Then, using the vyapti and opening your hands, chin should be up. Focus your eyes at a point right in front of you. Entire body will move, but your eyes won't move. Spin using your left heel like this. After taking the spin, your eyes come back first, then the rest of the body. So practice taking chakkars like this. Maintain proper balance and accuracy, and of course, always keep in mind that your body should always maintain the central axis. In future classes, I will be showing you some variations of chakkars and techniques to perform them, like 8-step chakkars, 5-step chakkars, 4-step chakkars, 3-step chakkars, 2-step chakkars, 1-step chakkars, and even half-step chakkar. Hope you enjoyed today's class. I will be uploading a new tutorial every Sunday. So subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon and select the all option to never miss an update. You can also like, comment, share and send your feedback. For detailed online and offline classes, you can contact with me via email. You can find my email address in the description box below. So, stay connected, stay safe, and keep learning. Happy dancing!